It begins at a young age and grows slice by slice. The simple, unconditional love of pizza. The perfect food that can never be perfected, but we try. Master the craft with the Ooni Karu 16 multi-fuel pizza oven. With advanced thermal engineering, it reaches 950 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius in just 15 minutes. The perfect temperature to cook epic, stone-baked pizzas in just 60 seconds. Enjoy authentic wood-fired cooking or the convenience of gas in one oven. The digital thermometer, airflow dampener, and internal sealing vents give you total flame and temperature control. Keep an eye on your creations with the hinged full glass oven door with view flame technology to keep the glass cleaner for longer. All of these innovations leave you to focus on what really matters, cooking great pizza.
Discover the Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating pizza oven. It's the fast and easy way to bake fresh or frozen pizza, thin or rising crust. Plus, it prepares convenience foods like frozen chicken wings, jalapeno poppers, fish fillets, egg rolls, and more. The Pizzazz Plus features a rotating tray that turns continuously for even baking. While ordinary ovens are heating, you're eating. No need to preheat. Simply set the timer and it begins to bake. The top and bottom heating elements bake food from both sides, quickly and evenly, and they're separately controlled. Select the top, bottom, or both elements for perfect results every time. Use the bottom element to make a crispier crust, or the top element for a bubblier topping. And with the open oven design, it's easy to see when the pizza is done just the way you like it. The timer signals when cooking time is complete and automatically turns the heating elements off. With the non-stick baking pan removed, cleaning and storage is easy. The Pizzazz Plus doesn't heat up your kitchen and can save as much as 60% in energy compared to a conventional oven. Chicken nuggets, quesadillas, grilled sandwiches, even cookies and cinnamon rolls. And of course, pizza! Delicious! The Pizzazz Plus rotating pizza oven from Presto.
The best times are with family and friends. What really brings people together is great food. That's why I decided to go with the ONLYFIRE Pizza Oven Kit. The ONLYFIRE Pizza Oven Kit is easy to use and works on a 22-inch Weber charcoal grill. After your charcoal grill is ready, place the ONLYFIRE Pizza Oven Kit on top of the grill. Place the stone insert and using the pizza server, slide in that delicious meal. Along with the temperature dial, you can check on your pizza with the built-in window. This is how it works. The heat builds up fast and stays consistent while circulating inside the grill for the perfect temperature every time. After 5 minutes, the pizza is ready to be enjoyed. Bellissimo! The ONLYFIRE Pizza Oven Kit is a must for me when I grill. There's also a pizza oven kit for gas grills. You've never had pizza like this before. Get an ONLYFIRE Pizza Oven Kit today and experience what you've been missing. Alright, this is like way better than the other. Oh my god.
Ooni Karu is our portable, powerful wood, charcoal and gas-fired pizza oven that reaches an incredible 932 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius and cooks authentic pizza in just 60 seconds. Say hello to Ooni Karu. With Ooni Karu, you can cook with real wood or charcoal for authentic wood-fired flavour or switch it up for the ultimate convenience using our separate gas burner. In just 15 minutes, Ooni Karu reaches 932 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the powerful heat needed for creating truly great pizza in just 60 seconds. You can also cook so much more, firing out delicious wood-fired meat, fish, nachos, wings, and vegetable dishes too. Ooni Karu is a step change in pizza oven innovation. Ooni Karu includes a stainless steel body, ceramic fibre insulation, an extra thick 15mm stone baking board, and our patented Flamekeeper engineering. These features give Ooni Karu optimum airflow, maximum heat retention, and even heat distribution for longer, consistent cooking temperatures, delivering you an awesome outdoor cooking experience every time. Refueling is simple via the easy access rear fuel hatch. You can also manage the power of the fire easily using the chimney baffle, which acts as a throttle through making quick airflow adjustments. Simply open it up for maximum flames and temperatures, or close for lower temperatures for different pizza styles and longer, slower cooks. The perforated fuel tray drives off excess ash as it burns, and the ultra-high temperatures mean that Ooni Karu is self-cleaning for minimal fuss. When we say Ooni Karu is portable, we really mean it. The chimney is detachable and the legs are folding. Weighing just over 26 pounds or 12 kilos, that's about the same as a case of beer, so you can throw a pizza party in any outdoor space. Because at Ooni, we know it's so much more fun to focus on what really matters. Cooking epic food with family and friends, because everyone deserves great pizza.